Okay, we have got a Mazda BT50 with a drive belt tensioner fault. So we can see it flopping around there and it's trying to push the belt off. It's already thrown one belt off. First thing we want to confirm is just that the alternator one-way clutch is not a problem. And to do that we are just going to turn the vehicle off. Overruns. Feel like it did a bit. We're just going to get in there and see if we can turn the fins. Yeah, so we can reach in there and we can turn the fins against that one-way clutch without any issue. So the one-way clutch is not the problem. It's easier like if you get someone else to turn it off for you, and then you should see the inside still move when the pulley stops, but you can also just turn those fins just to make sure that that's not affecting it. If the one-way clutch stuffs out on the alternator, that will affect what the tension is doing in terms of flogging back and forward, but it normally won't push the belt off like this. These are common for a tensioner fault, so we are going to replace that now. Okay, and then we're just going to get the air tube out of the way here, and then just take note of your drive belt routing. That's what it looks like. These are the two tensioner pulleys here. So yeah, with that air tube out of the way, we can get down into here, 1/2 inch drive fitting into the tensioner here. And we're going to turn it clockwise to loosen the belt and just pull it off, just so we can free it up. Okay, and then there's 3 bolts, so one there, one here and one here. So we can see our top one on top just here, the top nut there, and then basically feel your way down. Straight down from that one is the back one, and then the front one is down here where this is going in. Basically undo all 3 of those, and then you'll be able to take this out of there. Get this hose in the way. Oh, we've got studs top and bottom, don't we? Okay, so we've just got an E7 fork socket. I'm just gonna undo that top stud at least. Okay, so we've got that top stud free now, and that will let us tilt it enough to get that to come out. Here goes the stud. Okay, so that's that one out, and now the new one going. So this new one has got a pin in it here that we will take out once we've got the belt on. Okay, and then we can put this stuff back in. Okay, so all those 13mm nuts and bolts done back up now, and we have put our drive belt back on following our routing plan. Okay, you just want to make sure at this point that it is sitting on all pulleys properly, that it's properly located in each and every pulley, and then we are ready to remove the pin from the tensioner. Okay, so we're going to put our 1/2 inch drive bar back into the adjusting notch there, just so we can pull a bit of tension off it to pull that pin out. So just by turning that clockwise a bit, hold a bit of tension on it, it frees the tension off that pin so you can pull it out, and then you can just release that. Okay, so now we can put our air tube back in. Okay, just a note with the air tube too, I didn't even take this hose off. All I've done is set it up here. Just left that hose on, just because it's one less thing to do. So I can put that back on now, do it up, put our air filter housing back up. Just remember to clip this red clip back in. So to take that off, you'll need to pull it out. So you can press this tab down to get that plug off, and then when we plug it back in, we're going to push that red tab back in to lock it again. Remember the screw clamps at both ends, make sure they're tight and secure. Okay, so we're all back together now, and we're all running nice and straight. That new tensioner on there. Okay, so no more trying to throw the belt off. So that is a drive belt tensioner bolt and replacement on a Mazda BT50.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.